Understanding Backup Device, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a very useful tech term, backup device. Understanding this phrase is not just important for tech conversations, but it also adds to your English vocabulary. So, let's dive into what a backup device is and why it's important. A backup device is a type of storage tool used to copy and store data from your primary device. This could be anything from a USB stick, an external hard drive, to cloud storage services. The key idea here is safety and security for your data. It's like having a spare key to your house. If you lose one, you've got another. Why should we bother using a backup device? The main reason is data protection. Imagine losing all your photos, documents, or important files because your computer crashed. A backup device keeps a second copy of these files, so you don't lose them forever. It's about being prepared for those just-in-case moments. There are different types of backup devices, each with its own pros and cons. 1. USB sticks, small and portable, but limited in storage capacity. 2. External hard drives, offer more space and are relatively fast. 3. Cloud storage, stores data online, accessible from anywhere but requires an internet connection. Using a backup device is usually straightforward. You connect the device to your computer, or set up an online account for cloud storage, then copy or sync the files you want to back up. It's important to regularly update this backup to ensure all your latest data is safe. To effectively use a backup device, keep these tips in mind. 1. Regular backups. Make it a habit to back up your data regularly. 2. Multiple backups. Don't rely on just one backup method. Use a combination for extra safety. 3. Secure storage. Keep your backup device in a safe location to protect it from physical damage or theft. I hope this video helps you understand what a backup device is and why it's a crucial tool in our digital world. Remember, backing up your data can save you a lot of trouble in the future. Stay safe and happy learning.